everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Paramji, a professional makeup artist, and I am back with a super important video because today we are going to discuss about the expiry of makeup products. Recently I was chatting with a friend of mine and she kept complaining how her eyeshadow was just not giving her the right color output. Basically, she was applying the eyeshadow, however, the color was just not coming right. So I had to ask her when she had purchased the eyeshadow palette, and she told me it was more than 3 years old. I had to tell her that it had expired. She was completely shocked because she did not know that even makeup could expire. Come to think of it, all of us have been waiting at some point or the other to have that favorite lipstick or that perfect matching foundation shade long after its shelf life is over. I can understand that it is tempting to use that last drop of makeup, especially if you have paid a lot for it. Not only are such products occupying space, but the use of such expired products could also lead to some serious conditions like skin irritations, acne, pimples, rashes, and in case of eye products, you could end up with painful eye irritations, infections, and styes. Some people argue that they do not use the product on a daily basis and the boxes are kept closed for a long time. The point to understand here is that the bacteria starts acting on the makeup products the minute the boxes are open. So irrespective of whether you use the product on a daily basis or occasionally, the product definitely needs to be put away once it crosses the expiry date. Being aware and determined to not use an expired product takes you one step closer to a cleaner and hygienic makeup quality. Once you have decided to do away with your expired products, you need to know when to discard which product. But at times, this is very hard to tell because it is quite unclear, especially when the product packages do not clearly mention the expiry date. Some of the products have a POA mentioned on their packaging. The POA stands for the period after opening, which is a symbol of an open jar along with the number and M mentioned in the center. Now the number and the M indicates the number of months after which the product has to be tossed away. For example, if the symbol indicates 6M, it means that the product has to be trashed after 6 months. The POA or the expiry date is mentioned by the brands on the outer packaging of the makeup products. I understand that you must be having several products of which you would have discarded the outer packaging by now, and you would not have an idea when they are due to expire. So just for you, I have compiled the expiry date of all the makeup products. So here it goes. Moisturizers, face creams and body lotions have a life of 2 years from manufacturing. Under eye creams and eye creams can stay for 6 months from jar opening. Sunscreens have a life of 2 years from manufacturing. Lip balms have a life of 1 to 5 years. Liquid or cream foundations could stay between 12 to 18 months. Concealers have a life of 12 to 18 months. Powder, whether they are pressed or loose, have a life of 2 years. Eyeshadow palettes can stay for up to 1 year from opening. Your Kajal and eye pencils have a life of 2 years. Liquid eyeliners have a life of 3 to 4 months. Mascaras should definitely be discarded within 3 months of opening. Your powder blushes and contours can stay for up to 2 years from opening. Cream blushes should be discarded between 12 to 18 months. Your lip liners, lip glosses and lipsticks have a life of 1 year. Hair and face sprays can stay for up to 2 to 3 years. Despite period and expiry mentioned on the packaging, a product could expire even before that. This is due to excess humidity or excess heat. So please be on the lookout for the signs of expiry, like a change in smell, the change in texture, change in color, or even the appearance of mold. It is difficult to remember the expiry date of makeup products, especially when you have a vanity full of products. So I use stickers which I stick them on my products and mention the expiry date at the back of it. So every time I pick a product, I take a look at the expiry date before I use it. Preserve your products to increase their life and effectiveness. Simple things go a long way, like storing them in a cool and dark place, washing your hands before you use the products, sanitizing the products before you start using them, cleaning your tools before you use them on products, and most important of all, do not share your products with anybody else. Those were a few things about makeup expiration that I wanted to share with you today. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and share this video with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hitting that bell icon to turn the notifications on. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.